I'm not sure if you know, but Bitcoin's performance this year alone has outperformed the S&P 500 by over the past 3 years. It means that if you were to invest in Bitcoin on 1st January 2023 till now, you would have made much more gains than someone who invested in the S&P 500 over the past 3 to 5 years. Guys, the markets are green. If you also didn't know, Bitcoin is rallying, and critics were of the view that when we hit 42K, we're going to come down. Surprisingly, we crossed 42K. We are hovering between $43,000 and $44,000 for Bitcoin at the time of this recording. Look, Bitcoin has a larger market cap than the following companies. It's bigger than Visa, Tesla, HSBC, Disney, Walmart. These are some of the biggest and strongest brands that we have in the world. And yet, Bitcoin has a larger market cap than all these companies. Guess what? Bitcoin is the first asset ever to be more scarce than gold. Guys, if you think that you are missing the pump, I'm telling you that we are super early. If you look at everything that is happening in the space, of course, everything is happening much earlier than we had anticipated, but yet we are still super early. $42,000 for Bitcoin is still low. The market is looking all green for the day, for the week as well, and we are having a super pump. But in this video, I'm not doing this video for Bitcoin. I'm doing this video because there is a very strong narrative in crypto that I'm going to share with you. 4 major BRC tokens that you must take a good look at. BRC tokens are having a big pump because Bitcoin is rallying. Now, if you look at the crypto space, crypto is about the narrative. And so when you look at the narrative that is happening, you need to really position yourself to make crazy gains. One of the top leading Brc20 tokens that I'm going to share with you that you must have in your bag is Ordi. Ordi is $63 at the time of this recording. This project just literally listed on Binance a few weeks ago, and then the price was trading around $12. Today, as we speak at the time of this recording, this project has done between a 5 to a 6x already in a matter of weeks. And we are sitting at about $1.3 billion in market cap. The total amount in supply is 21 million Ordi, and the max supply is 21 million as well. And this project has a huge leg up. And so if you are looking at this project and you're looking at shopping for some Brc20 token, then Ordi is one of the best projects you need to get in. Where we are now, the upside momentum is still there, but you probably will do let's say a 4 to a 5x from here because it is already done a big leg up. Ordi is available on major exchanges like Binance, on KuCoin, OKXGate.io, and this project is doing super well. So this is the first project or first Brc20 project that I want you to take a critical look at. It is such a big player when it comes to the BRC token space because it helps you to get into that space and it has good utility as well when it comes to NFTs. The second token that I want to share with you is VMPX. VMPX is also a Brc20 token. This project is a meme. It's basically a vampire meme coin or meme project. And this project also has 100 million in total supply, currently trading at just 8.7 million in market cap. This is very low. And that is why my eyes settled on this very project. And I'm already up in terms of gains in when I got into this project. It is still early because this is just an 8.7 million market cap. If you look at the previous one, which is Ordi is sitting about 1.3 billion. If VMPX gets to say a 700 million market cap, that is literally 100x from where we currently sitting. At 80 million only, we are already up at about 10x already. And so getting into this project is beautiful because as we continue to see the Bitcoin pump, we definitely going to continue to see all these ordinals and all these BRC tokens rallying after Bitcoin. So there seems to be a big correlation between the Bitcoin run up and then all these ordinals that are running up alongside. And so that is why personally I'm very optimistic about these BRC20 tokens, because these BRC20 tokens are going to rally alongside Bitcoin. And Bitcoin sitting at $42,000. It's good, but it still has a big run up as we approach the halving. And as momentum and interest and the links like the ETF comes in, and there's such a huge demand pumping into Bitcoin, I see nothing but a big rally out for these cheap low tokens which have been built on the Bitcoin network. It's going to rally and correlate strongly with these tokens. That is why I am super bullish. The third project is a project called Alex. Alex is like a DEX when it comes to these BRC tokens. It's a DEX that is already functioning and is live, where you can list ordinals or you can list BRC20 tokens on the Alex DEX and all that. And so it is basically your typical DEX for these BRC20 tokens. This project is sitting at about 120 million in market cap. Such a very strong project and a strong ecosystem as well. And this project has a big leg up because in the past couple of, let's say in the 7-day period, it's done about 186% growth. In the last 1 month, this project has literally done 276% in terms of leg up, going up. And so still, I think it has a big room to go, because as more BRC20 tokens come on board, they would need such an ecosystem to incubate and also to be listed. The last but not the least recommendation is MUBI. MUBI is also a very strong project with a strong utility. It's basically a bridge between the BRC20 tokens and then the ERC20 tokens. It's sitting at a mid-sized market cap of roughly about $70 million. And it still has a big room to go. It has a big room to go. And it's sitting at about 0.07327 US dollars, or basically 737 cents. And so you still have a big room to go. Now, with all these tokens are available on some exchanges like mexigate.io. You can find all that on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap by clicking on market here and just selecting, looking at the market that is available. I am personally bullish on this particular sector and bullish on this particular narrative. And I think that if you got some of these tokens and get some of your gaming and get some AI, get some layer ones and get some DEXs, you are really, really positioned. Don't forget to get some deepin as well, deepin tokens, or I mean tokens in the deepin space. If you get these things, you are really set for the bull run. Guys, if you love such content, then definitely subscribe to this channel, because this is the only channel where we help you to make great wealth with crypto. Subscribe to the channel, drop me a like right now, and I'm going to see you on the next video.